Hello, today we will be learning about one of our career and skill building databases, Learning Express Library. To begin, go to our website, santaclaritalibrary.com. You can get to our skill resources in two ways. You can use the eLibrary tab and select articles and databases, or you can use our new Employment Resources button on the main page. On this page, you will find various resources that will help you with your employment needs, including unemployment information, job search sites, and resources for interviewing and skill building. Today, we will be focusing on one of our skill building resources, Learning Express Library. On the home page, you will find some of the topics you can explore in the Learning Express database. You can browse tutorials, ebooks, practice tests, flashcards, and articles related to job searching, career information, workplace skills, placement exams, high school equivalency exams, college prep, as well as skills and competencies for all ages. There is also a section for resources in Spanish. To access these resources, first you will need to create an account. There is no cost. All of our databases are free to access with your library card. If Learning Express prompts you for a library card and you do not have one yet, please email libraryinfo@santa-clarita.com for more information. Library cards are available at no cost to all California residents with a valid address. If it is your first time using Learning Express Library, click Register and fill out the starred information. After this initial step, you will be able to log in using your email address and password. Back on the home page, you can use the listed topics to browse, or you can search by topic or test. We are going to use the search term nursing. On this page, you see the results for your search. You can further narrow down your results by selecting the resources you are looking for. We are going to limit our search to just tests. After you select a test, you will then be able to specify how you would like to use the test to best fit your study needs. You can choose to closely follow your test time format, a practice where your time limit will be displayed, but not enforced, or a learning option where you can view answers after every question, and there is no time limit. Tests can also be saved to your account to complete at a later time. To access your account, click on your name in the upper right-hand corner and select My Center. Here you will be able to see all of the tests, tutorials, and flashcards you've started, as well as the ebooks and articles you've downloaded. In addition to practice tests, Learning Express also offers tutorials and flashcards. These are great interactive tools to help you build skills like job searching or prepare for an exam. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Learning Express Library. For more information on the databases we offer, please check out our database selection available on our website.